Before I joined Trade Mastermind, it was quite a difficult, lonely slog, but now joining, I've got a lot of people to talk to. The guys are great and it feels I'm not on my own now. Having someone to relate to, like Paul and even Joe, to look up to, it's nice meeting people doing the same as I've done, in the same position and learning the same things as well. So I come away feeling very inspired by people who are running the course, people on the course. We've currently had a good win where we put in a tender with 450,000, which would be a very good one for a local council. And also we hit our monthly target last month of 83,000, something we've never done and hopefully do more often. I sat next to a guy who was just starting and we were both ticking the same boxes of what we don't do. Like I said, I've been doing 15 years now and I'm still not doing some of the right things as an experienced person. It's very humbling and it's good because then I know where I'm going wrong. Do you know what, honestly, this has been a great experience. You know, Trade Mastermind has been, I'd love to say life-changing. It's great, yeah, it really is.